Welcome back to WordPress 101, brought to you by Web Devils. I'm Brett Phillips, and here in Lesson 6 we're going to be talking about how to create links. Don't worry if you don't know HTML, as it is not required for this lesson. The thing we're going to go over is using the WYSIWYG editor to create links in your pages and posts. I'm going to explain to you what the target tag is and what the title tag is and how they work, what they're for. Here we are back at our home page, and right here I want to go ahead and add some more content, and I also want to add a link to our services page. There is one right here, but I want to add it in my copy so that when people are reading it they're more compelled to go ahead and click on it. The first thing we need to do is head over to our dashboard and log in. Once we're logged in, we need to head over to Pages, and we need to edit the home page. Now I already have some additional copy written, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that over here in my content area. Okay, right here where the word services is, that's what I want to be my link. Read more about what we can offer or what we can do for you on our services page. Now this is really easy. First thing I'm going to do is head back to my website. I'm going to hover over my services link, going to right click, and I want to copy the link location. Other than that, you can just hover and look in the bottom left corner and you can see what the address of it is there. Or one more step is to go ahead and click on services, and up here at the top we have our URL. So let's gather that. Go ahead back over to your edit homepage, highlight the word services, and up here in our toolbar you'll notice that this little chain link has gone from being grayed out to being ready to be clicked on. Insert edit link. So we're going to click on that, and this little window will pop up. Link URL, that's what we want to, that's where we want to copy our link URL, this right here. So let's go ahead and paste that in there. And essentially this is all you need to do. Hit insert and you're done. We will hit update. Let's go back to our home page. Alright, here it is. Services. So if we click on services, it takes us to our services page. We could link from the services page back to the home page if we wanted, but I don't think that's necessary. Okay, next step. Let's go ahead and go here, and we want to check out our link. So we've highlighted it. We're going to click this again. There's two more options we have here. The first one is target, and target tells the web browser what to do when someone clicks this link. We've only got two options here. We can open the link in the same window, which is what we want if we are staying inside of our website, or we can open the link in a new window, which is what you want to do if you're linking to somebody else's site. This way, when somebody clicks on your link, they do not leave your website. Instead, a new tab or a new window is opened for the other website. Doing this internally could become obnoxious because then people will have many windows open for just your website. So let's just say open the link in the same window. Now we also have this option here for title. Title comes in very handy when you're working on search engine optimization. Since that's a little further down the scope than we're working with today, let's go ahead and do something easy, like give it the title Howard's Full Service Services. And class you don't need to worry about, that is a CSS thing. So let's go ahead and hit update. And what the title is going to do is when we hover over our link, it's going to give us that name. Go ahead and update our page. Let's go here and refresh. Now when we hover over it, Howard's Full Service Services. Great. And when we click on it, still stays in the same window, which is exactly what we wanted. Alright, that's a wrap for creating links. It can get more in depth, but we're just going to leave it at that for now. I hope you're starting to figure out some of this stuff and feel a little more confident in your abilities. Please stick with me through the rest of this video series, and I promise you'll be a WordPress whiz by the end of it.